Hello, students. So I really would like to welcome you to week 8. Today is our midterm review. This will be our midterm week, so we'll cover weeks 1 through 7. We'll revisit all the major concepts from weeks 1 through 7. If when you feel confident and prepared for the exam, our goal is just not memorization, but making sure you truly understand the concepts so you can apply them when it comes time to take the midterm. For today's agenda, we'll review major concepts. We'll have practice questions. We have midterm structure, study tips, and then a Q&A. So in week 1, we cover wellness, and we talked about the 6 dimensions of wellness. So we have the physical, we have emotional, we have the social, we have the intellectual, we have the vocational, we have the spiritual. Um, we also talked about the difference between wellness and versus health. So health is your physical state. Wellness is the active process of making your healthier choices. We also talked about SMART goals and what that really means in a definition. So remember, SMART goals are the S is for specific, M is for measurable, A is for achievable, R is for relevant, and T is for time bound. You should be able to recognize and create small goals on the midterm as well, because there will be questions pertaining to this. So in week 2, we reviewed the basics of the cardiovascular system, the heart, lungs, arteries, veins, and capillaries. We also covered major muscle groups, how muscles create movement through contraction. You should be able to identify which muscle perform certain actions like bending the elbow or extending the knee. Also, as well, I highly really encourage you to go back and look at those slides there, and then review like the muscle groups and the major muscle groups as well. So week 3, focus on the 5 components of fitness. So the cardiorespiratory respiratory endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility, and body composition. You should know it is expected for you to know the definitions and examples and why each one matters for your overall health. So in week 4, we introduced the core principles, so fit, overload, progression, specificity, and then the warm up and cool down methods. These principles explain how and why the body adapts to training. Expect several questions about applying these principles as well. So in week 5, we discussed nutrition, so the 6 nutrients, nutrient density, hydration, calories, and metabolism. So you should be able to identify which foods are nutrient dense and how nutrition affects your energy and performance as well. Excuse me, as well. So it's very important that you also review week 5 slides, as they will have most of this information on there. In week 6, we explored the difference between fat mass versus lean mass, and emphasized that healthy weight is not just a number on a scale. We also covered energy balance, why BMI is limited, why body composition is a better indicator of health, focusing on understanding the concepts, not just memorizing just the numbers as well. So on week 7, we focus on what it means to maintain a healthy body weight. The textbooks emphasize that healthy weight is not just a number on the scale. It includes body composition, habits, and overall wellness. So key concepts reviewed is body compositions, um, lean versus fat mass, healthy body fat ranges, energy balance, calories in versus calories out, metabolism, your basal metabolic rate, activity levels, muscle mass, factors that influence body weight, such as genetics, environment, and behavior, like sex and age, and all those things. So make sure you guys review that. Healthy weight management strategies. So balanced eating, regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and avoiding extreme diets. And then the dangers of unhealthy practices, so crash dieting, skipping meals, over exercising, diet pills, and then really know why strength matters. Um, just a couple of things is that it improves metabolism and supports healthy weight. Body image, focus on health and habits and just not appearance. So understanding these concepts helps you evaluate weight related goals and safely and realistically. So always keep that in mind. So these are a few practice questions here that you kind of can go through. Just kind of like, in relation to the midterm to kind of help you prepare. Really, we just take a moment to think about these questions before we kind of review like the answers. So this is just the answer key to some of those questions there. So please make sure you have a deeper understanding of what the questions are really asking. Pay attention and do not rush through these practice questions. So the midterm overview, 50 points total. So it's multiple choice, matching, short answer. It's going to have some questions about fitness plans and nutrition analysis. So students, please be prepared to answer these questions in depth. You're going to have to be very detailed, especially on some of the short answer to fitness plans and nutrition analysis as well. So some study tips I think will be helpful to you all is to use maybe flashcards, especially for definitions. Maybe you get cards and then write like, the word and then the definition on the back or however you want to do it. Make sure you review notes, the study guides, go back and review like the PowerPoints, presentations, reread the textbook summaries, sleep before the exam, make sure you get rest, and be prepared, and ask questions, always ask questions in review sessions. So I want you guys to also for exit ticket today, please answer this question or answer this about one thing you feel confident about and one thing you want help with. And as always, you guys are more than welcome to ask me as many questions as you need to. I can definitely provide a lot of clarification. I'm here for your support, your success, and your to help you succeed.